Do you want to make a vending machine costume for Halloween? This is how. For this project, you're going to need some packing tape, scissors, string, hole punch, black marker, and a sharp knife. 6 candy bars of your choosing, and a big sized box, one that your kid can fit in. And these are some things I made on the computer, but you can probably draw them by hand. You'll also need black paper, clear plastic film, and 2 Ziploc bags.
Oh my gosh! And they have the free movies?
First thing we're gonna do is cut along here and along here to create the candy window. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Be careful. Do not cut yourself. This is a very, very sharp knife. Excellent. And our last step is to cut from here to here. Ugh. Excellent.
Okay. Who made your costume? Thank you. That's awesome.
Crease it right at the very edge where it's cut. Crease. Okay, crease. And then make another crease just a little bit further in, like an inch. Fold it. And now when you push it inside, you've got a little indentation part where you're going to put the candy.
Really hungry. Do you take debit cards? Awesome, guys.
Put the tape where you want the black to stick, making little loop-de-loops. Now, I'm going to paste the paper, press it down, turn it over, and do it again.
Part. Yeah. Is it a strong part?
Make a little crease. Fill up the entire back with tape. Oh, whoa, look at that. It's like a straw. Fold it around. Press it down. Press it down good. Flip it. Flip it good. Woo! Fun. Bring it over. Great. Crease it again. Good thing I bought this big one. Press that down. We're finally back at the front.
Here's something that you're never gonna forget.
Let's give it a little crease. Cut. 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 I'm going to cut along this line. Okay, great. Now press that down. There. Crease it here. Yeah, just like that. Good. Okay. Let's crease this other side here. We're going to crease it on the top. Put some tape on the inside and put some tape on this edge. Okay. Press it down. Press.
What about a,
These are some things I made on the computer. Refill. Insert $1 bill face up. Push for the little pushy thing. Change. A bunch of letters. We're going to tape everything down. 3. Put a piece of tape. And press it down.
You're welcome.
Cool costume.
Yeah, I know, the vending machine.
Okay. I have a black piece of paper folded in half. We're going to stick it in there. Okay. Now.
Here.
Look, so cute. Look at that.
Noticing his costume. It wasn't until
1, 2, 3, punch! Oh, wow. Okay, we're going to take some, I can smell the almond joy. Take some string. We're going to thread it through the one hole. Okay. And then we're going to thread it through the other hole. There we go. Okay, now you got a candy bar and a string.
5:30.
Just tape over those like so. See, these two strings are going to go into holes. Now I've marked it down here with little pencil marks. We're going to punch a hole here and punch a hole here and put the string through the hole to attach the bar. Let's do that now. Poke it through. Pull it through. Ah, tighten it. You're going to do that for every single candy bar. Same exact procedure. Seems like I've sustained an injury from using that knife. Be very careful now. Okay, now we're just going to tie all those before they fall out. Each candy bar is tied up now in the back on the inside of the box. Now I have my helper helping me. Yeah, there you go.
This is kind of cool because I might be able to be this like for other years for Halloween.
If you don't get too fat.
Whoa, whoa.
There we go. That's one side. Saw it down. Good. Now we're going to cut a line across here. Keep going. Bend it inward like that. Take that black marker. Color that cardboard up. Put some tape on the back. Find a good spot. Press it down. Okay. Help it go pushy push, okay? Kind of creasing it. We got a snack bag like this, and we cut a hole at the bottom, okay, so that it's open. And we're going to tape this to the inside of the change slot so that when people put candy in the change slot, it's going to collect in this bag. Turn that bag inside out with the tape around it. Then put it over your change slot and tape it. Take the other side and tape it on top of the chain slot. Let's press it down really good. Okay, here you go. Trick or treat. What do you say after you get a candy?
Trick or treat.
No, that's what you say before you get a candy. What do you say after you get a candy?
Please?
Cut that off. Okay, so now you've got the plastic bags open on the bottom. Just put some tape like that around the bag. Now we're going to put tape on the other side of the bag, but try not to tape the bag together. Okay. Now we're going to turn the bag inside out. Okay. But we're going to tape it like that on the bottom below the slot, above the slot, and tape it really, really well. Because this is going to get full of candy. This bag's going to get full of candy. Oh, yeah. What do you say after someone gives you candy?
Thank you.
Ding, 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 ding. You are correct. You get another candy. Oh. The armholes. Okay. Woo! Woo! Let's try that on. Woo! Ta-da!
Yeah, let's get this crew. Because then.
Cut, cut, cut. Good. Now when he'll be able to walk, put some tape underneath so that they don't wobble too much. This one needs some tape.
You've been keeping loving me just like you were mine.
Next, we've made some tape tubes. Tape it along the edge. Cut along the bottom. Okay, let's tuck that in under here with some craft magic. Yeah. Good. Uh-oh, I'm stealing candy. All right, looking like a vending machine. Change machine bag. Put that candy out. Woo! All right. Ooh, money. People put money in the candy machine. Some socks are taped along the edge to give it some padding. Put some tape.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
All right.